We gotta turn it up a little bit. There we go. That's better. Okay. All right. Also, this song is like really, it's like low energy. We need high energy songs in here. Yeah. All right. I'm not gonna tweet. I don't know. I'm not gonna tweet this. If anyone's here, you could come. It's gonna be like probably a boring one. So yeah, we're gonna actually skip that too. Okay, yeah, that's probably fine, right? Okay, let me see. Live, pop out chat. I gotta pop that out. Put that here. Pop Twitch out. Put that here. F. I know, it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be Cold Float. What's up? It's gonna be a boring one, unless I get derailed, in which case then it'll be. Wait, am I muted? I see it in OBS though, right? I see it, right? I mean, it's dude, every time, like, honestly though, like, yeah, it's definitely a Zoom thing for me. I am like constantly, let's see, learning multipart, like always muted. Multipart uploads, rest, axum. That's a long one. There's a lot of learning in here. All right. All right, so we got to do, well, I mean, I said it's rust and axum, but really it's ryde, you know? You know what it is. You already know what it is. Oh, wait, that's, what am I doing? Version 0.3? And then path is whatever, right? All right. Okay. Just a quick route, I guess, right? I'm doing multi-part stuff because, yeah, I want to get slash not found in the scope. Main, async, serve routes. Stupid garbage. 9001. Is that what it is? There we go. Let's do methods. That's fine. Await. Async fn. Get slash. HTML. Yup. Hello. Learning multi-part uploads. Rust axum. Blah 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 blah. All right, looking good. Cargo run that bad boy. We'll do cargo watch. X run W source. You can't believe you're first. I didn't tweet. Okay, like I'm not gonna. This is gonna be like actually useful information. Like, so I'm not gonna tweet it. It's just gonna be programming, right? I don't know. Like, there's something about like programmers watching other programmers. Like, I don't know. It's a weird concept. Like, and I still like. I feel like there's some people who maybe they're learning and they want to like see it. But yeah, like if you've been programming for like 15 years and you watch it, I don't know. I just can't, like I see other people do it and I'm like, all right, let me see. Is this working? Come on. There we go. Oof. That's bright. Cool. All right, sweet. Okay, that's why I'm not gonna cold float. I understand if you just put me on the background. Okay, wow, that's funny. Cold float, that's funny. That's really funny. All right, let me see. Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, Ryde's so famous. Like, who's the author of that? Who did that? Who did that thing? All right. Okay, so the first thing is I think usually what we do is like a mute multipart. And then we do like a multi-part, right? But of course, I realistically I need a multi-part with the CSRF token. Unless someone wants to correct me and tells me that same site strict cookies are enough and we don't actually need CSRF anymore in the year of our Lord 2024. Good opening to the stream. Wait, what did I say? Oh yeah, is he muted? Yeah, it's great. Yeah, I got trolled. You want this in the first 2 seconds? Yeah, 126 stars. GitHub micro celebrity. Dude, I mean, could you imagine? GitHub famous, you know? Demonthos, what's going on? We haven't talked, you know? We gotta, there should be like a Twitch, but like we're all on camera, you know what I mean? But not Zoom, you know? Like it should be like Discord, but then I feel like everyone's cutting each other off. It doesn't scale, so I don't know. It makes sense. It makes sense to do it this way. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if this is a good idea, to tell you the truth. Like, I guess I have two problems, right? One, I want to upload videos that are around 500 megs. This is for work, actually. Now that I think about this is for work. Only because I sort of like got the jump on this new project and I did it with Rust. So yeah, I want to upload. I probably only have like 2 more days on this project, but I want to upload like 1080p video files that are like 500 megs. And I'm thinking like, okay, I'll just do S3 direct upload with like JavaScript, right? Just the dumbest thing possible. Then I'm like, I don't know. It's nice to have it come to your server first, you know, instead of going through S3. But it's definitely like, and operationally, it's easier to like do the multi-part thing in dev versus like have a dependency on S3 right away. So like if I have multi-part going to my server, then I upload it to S3 on the back end, I don't have to worry about pre-signed URLs, and it's easier for like dev, like for other people to dev. Like it's easier. I could just hide it behind a feature flag, or like check for some prod end there or something, right? Yeah, I don't know. Well, we'll see. Seeing how GitHub is owned, be on Teams. Oh, dude, that's true. I got clickbaited. I'm your favorite Rust creator. You follow me from Twitter. Oh, wait, why is this so small? Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, I appreciate it. I'm like the worst. Actually, I'm your favorite, but I'm also simultaneously the worst, right? Just doing so much random stuff with Rust. I don't even. Some people are like, oh, Rust, like, you know, you shouldn't use it for web development. Like I think Warren Buffering on Twitter said -3. I think Warren Buffering said like oh, it's like a ZERP, right? Like Rust for web dev is ZERP. I'm like, first of all, if you know what a ZERP is, right? You spend too much time on Twitter or X or whatever. Yeah, but it's, you know, I don't know if it is, honestly. Like, I was working on this little, you know, B2B SaaS thing, like I always am. And I mean, just the refactoring powers, like, I mean, there's some serious advantages to using Rust, like as wherever you can. Like, and the crazy refactoring is like one of them, right? Clearly Bash is the right choice. Look, Demonthos, we don't have to play, okay? Bad Cop isn't in here. We don't have to act like Bash is the thing. I follow your projects and they're great and on the web, but I don't care. Yeah, I don't care either. But that's what I'm saying. I don't Bad Cop alt. Could you imagine? What if I was just a Bad Cop like avatar? Like I was one of Bad Cop's like VTuber things, and Bad Cop has somehow like become a machine learning person, and you know they're making this like from state of the art like frickin' Sora version 10, you know? That'd be incredible. No, I'm a real person. But that'd be cool, though. Don't tell they're doing ML and Bash. Oh, dude. Could you imagine? I should push Bad Cop on that. We should get Bad Cop to do some to redo Carpathy's C version of GPT. We should start with a tokenizer though, right? We should get a Bash tokenizer. Dude, that'd be sick. But Abdo, thank you, I appreciate it. TensorFlow and Bash. That'd be so funny. Yeah, that'd be hilarious. I would genuinely love that though. Like, I think I might actually use that. Yeah. I don't know. I guess I just play up the Rust web dev meme thing. But I legitimately think Rust is like great for web dev. Just like, I mean, I guess like technically Bash could be good for machine learning, but like I think the problem would be you'd have to just, I mean, you could use it like legitimately if you were going to use Bash for like TensorFlow stuff, you could just like, if you could just wrap the CUDA kernel C++ stuff just like PyTorch does, right? Then you could use it, right? Like legitimately. Because you know it's CPUs for machine learning. But yeah, I did like Carpathy's thing though, his C thing. Yeah, I guess like Demonthos is probably the foremost expert in machine learning here. If he's still here, I don't even know, or she, or whoever. It doesn't matter. But yeah, it's the problem with machine learning, like fine tuning is kind of falling apart now, I feel like, and you need a lot of data, and I don't have a lot of data. I guess we all do technically, because we all have the web and it's like a shared resource, but yeah, a lot of research. Angie just want to get stuff done. Yeah. Synthetic data. Ooh, I didn't even think about that. So what do? Do you use like an LLM to create synthetic data? Oh, like, because it has to make sense though, right? Link. Is there a link? I'm so sidetracked on this. we are not doing multipart form uploads, that's for sure. All right, I was trying to make it work related. Okay, make AI feed. Yeah, like, but I feel like people think this is gonna. It's funny. People think this is gonna cause like the models to deteriorate. I'm not convinced. Because like if you look at NVIDIA's like simulation stuff, that's what it is, right? Prompts a large LLM to generate data, train small LLM to do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that is the play, right? Oh, DS Store. Mac user identified. Okay, Mac user identified. Let me see. Let me see. Wait, what? What? How is this? What? Why are there 0 lines of code in here? Oh, is it in experiments maybe? Oh, wait, what's this demo? Oh, let's watch this demo. Is there music? I watched Coldflow. I didn't watch it, but honestly, I should. Self-feeding AI degradation already happening with ChatGPT. Oh, you're saying because they train it on the free instruct stuff from the chat? Yeah, I mean, it is the quality, but if you could somehow come up with like good, like if you start with you bootstrap from web data, right? Which is like, okay, and then you clean it and it's it's relatively high enough quality that something like ChatGPT could exist. Then you sort of just make it output data from there, right? Before, like, don't Don't train it on the questions and answers. Right? Like, that's not good, right? Yeah, I didn't watch the. I watched the stupid announcement, the press one. Ugh, it was terrible. I need to read me. I'm joining the Apple cult. Work forced me to. Heck yeah, we got one. We got one. We got him. Yeah, dude, it's fine. Like the water is warm. Okay, like when you join the Apple cult, your life gets better. Okay, you stop messing around with Alsa or whatever, right? You stop messing around with all this like screen tearing because Wayland's not working or whatever. Like, you stop doing all that craziness. Let me see. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, here we go. There's some code. Dude. Right away. The regular expression, though. Oh, it's looking good. Let me see. Okay, so what? I don't even know what I'm looking at here. What are we looking at? I don't even know. I already love global variables, though. Let me see. Generate UI. What in the world? Oh, shoot. I'm into this already. I love this. I don't even know what this is. I want it. Let's see. Prompt start header. End header? Oh, okay. What is... Oh, okay. So I see. Oh, these are your... Is that like a system prompt? Is that what you're doing? Let's see. What else is there? Partial state, stream.next, current line push to, current line, lines count, blah, 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 blah. Lines editor, process line, next section, partial state. Okay. Dang, string new? Shoot, I'm out here doing, I'm doing 2 quotes and a dot into. Man, and I'm doing the vec macro. Is that what we're doing? We're doing vec new? Shoot. Let's see. RSX from HTML. Oof, nice. Okay. Oh, I see. See, you're having it generate HTML, and then you're converting the HTML to RSX. RSX to component. Oh, you're generating each component. This actually makes perfect sense, to tell you the truth, because like you've seen some of that generate UI stuff. Like what was that? What was that one? What's this stupid like open source? What is this? What? Like this is why I don't use Chrome, right? I use it on the stream. But honestly, like what is this? What's going on here? I don't even know who Hank Adams is. And I'm kind of like an outdoorsy person, you know? All right. What's that a constraint for? Wait, what's what a constraint for? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. It generates HTML with and then converts it to RSX. Special tokens to mark different parts of the prompt. Yeah, this is clean. This is clean. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, so how do can we try this? Oh shoot. My headphones just like freaked out. Oh, because I left the noise canceling on. Now it's dying. String default gang. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, I didn't understand that. I'm gonna need a new battery for my noise canceling. It's dying. Okay, let me see. RSX component. What is this? Oh, I see. This is the thing that does. Oh, it's all in here. It's in here. I thought there was already something. Wasn't there already something? But yeah, how do I try this? We gotta clone this. Let's clone this. We're totally derailed now. I gotta change the title on the end of this video. Okay, so here we go. Oh, there's a README. Wait, where did that come from? What? Where was there not a README before? Wait, did I miss it? Oh, 3 minutes ago. I was like, wait, if I knew there was a README, why did I do it? Okay, so let's see. You're running to application with cargo run. Oh, let's do it. Wait. Do I need like a minimum hardware thing? Because it's using llama. Where is? Well, let's clone it. Let's clone it first, right? And then we'll do that when we come to it, right? I don't know if they'll be able to do this. Like, I feel like it's gonna take a lot, right? If I need to do something with cargo run, are they examples? Cat, what is Oh, I run them. Oh, I see. Source lib. No, what? How do you do it? Cargo run. I just do like generate component generation. What's it called? Cargo. Oh, okay. Component generation. Let's just do that. Okay. Cargo run component generation. No. There's no binary? What do I do? Oh, I just navigate in there. Oh my gosh. Component generation. Cargo run. Oh, examples? Oh. Okay, cargo run example CLI? Oh, there we go. All right, we got it. I have an M1. This is an M1 right here. It'll be fast enough. I have M2. Yeah, I got to update. The LM generates components with a special format that the CLI imports the constraints force the Okay. Oh, candle. Oh, cutlass. What in the world? Shoot, I don't even know what that is. NVIDIA cutlass. Let's see, what is this? I'm learning all kinds of stuff. NVIDIA cutlass. Let's see. Oh, I see. Okay. I like how they call them subroutines. So good. Hey, Demontis, have you tried the NVIDIA really hit it big? They got so lucky. Jensen Huang's like, oh yeah, like we saw the future 30 years ago. That's why I started NVIDIA. You know, for the machine learning. It's like, get out of here, dude. Get out of here. You got super lucky. And you're super lucky that like the memory requirements are like, so ASICs make no sense, right? Like if ASICs made sense, like I'm sure that, I mean, they have custom stuff like the, what is it called? Like Trillium or whatever. What does Google have now? TPUs or whatever. I'm sure it makes sense as long as you have enough memory, but yeah, the memory bandwidth is like the limiting factor and not the processing speed. Otherwise, ASICs would have taken over already. They're lucky. They lucky. Let me see. What is? Oh, it's still going. Ooh, this is gonna be a while. This is gonna. Well, maybe it's all right. Let's see. Let's see. What else can we do here? Do I need to do anything else? If I look at the CLI thing, do I need to... Okay, prompt. What do you want to make? Nice. Nice. Okay, cool. So then it does the generate UI thing. And the generate... So let's go back to generate UI again. Oh, okay, so it's going to... Oh, I see. It's going to actually... It looks like it's going to... Oh, okay. So it's going to download... It's going to download a tokenizer. Oh, nose research. Nice. And then it's going to download Llama 3. But I don't know what's... Oh, you said 8B. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Tokenizer, model. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, it's already working. Is it going to download? Nom. Oh. All right, what do I want to make? Oh. I want to make a file upload. I want to make a file upload. Oh, I'm like in the way. Component. That, with Tailwind. This is like so open-ended. I don't even think that makes any sense. Dude, I like this. I like this. This loading indicator though. This is sick. I mean, other than the clear security problems with what I'm doing, I actually really like TUIs. Like, I'm starting to think that terminal.shop is showing me that like maybe the web is like not. Maybe the web has been co-opted by corporate interests, and it's just not good as an application platform anymore. Right? And then, like, there's the React compiler, and like everyone's just doing TypeScript, and I'm like, Yeah, I don't know. And like, I mean, I like eGUI seems cool, like the WebAssembly stuff, Antioxys, but I don't know. Maybe the web is like, I feel like it's still the best application delivery platform, but yeah, I don't know. I'll come back to that. It will download a 4 gig model. Yeah. All right. Well, you know, my internet, you know, it's not bad, right? Let's see. Am I going to show my location? I probably am, actually. I probably don't want to do that. Fast.com. But yeah, I can check it over here, right? We can check it over here. Let's see. Anything going on at work? Yeah. Yeah. Nope. All quiet. You know? It's all quiet. All right, let me see. What else is there? What else is going to happen? Oh, did it download? Oh, it's still going, right? I wish there was another loading indicator, right? I wish there was something. Okay, let's look at what it's doing. Go back to the CLI. The CLI? Do you call it the CLI? Can we do that? The CLI? Let's see, generate UI. Okay, so now it's doing the generate UI thing. Alright, wait, no. Now it's, let's go back to generate UI. Okay, so now it's probably down. Where was the, oh, start process line. Wait, where's the loading indicator? Stream structured text. Oh, it must be downloading now it's downloading the model, right? I don't even know. What was the, Llama Builder? This is Flonium, right? Is that what this is? I block out. Or maybe this is this. Oh, you do use Roselia. Okay. Colossum. Yeah, as I'm working through stuff with my my dumb oh jeez. It will download a 4 gig model. Did you run it in debug? Oh. Whoops. Whoops. All right, we'll oh shoot. I'm done. I'm done. We gotta try to kill this. Oh, there we go. Okay, D was it. All right. Let's just make sure though. I did run it in debug mode. Cargo run. Wait, I'm in the wrong thing. Okay, let's go component generation again. And we'll do cargo run release example C. Is that fine? Okay, we're gonna start over again because I didn't do it right. Loading stuff lives in Colossum. Let's see. Colossum. GitHub. Oh, it's a mono repo, right? Is that what it is? Flonium? No, it just came up with Flonium. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's in interfaces. Okay. Man, these readmes, dude, this is some premium. Like you almost can't even find this kind of like incredible readme generation. Okay, this is insane. I love this. I write readmes from maybe. Do you use LLMs for this, or do you just write it from scratch, or do you have like a template? Do you have a template? Pre-trained models. Pre-trained margin. Which ones? Okay. Is Llama 3, is that multimodal? Or is that just 4.0? Oh, you just wrote it? Okay. Just off the tip, you know? Just off the tip of the thing. I generally look at past projects while writing it. Yeah, that's what I do too. Okay, good. I'm glad I'm on that train. Just text. Okay. Is there a multimodal model? What do they call it? Like native, right? Is that what they call it? Holistic AI learning across 6 modalities. Oh, this was a year ago. Oh, they must be pretty close to something then, right? Image bind, computer vision to link AI across the senses. What is depth? Is that like supposed to be is it 3D? Is that what that means? What is IMU? Oh, inertial measurement units. Oh, it's like some hack, right? To get it to understand motion. Interesting. Yeah, the multimodal stuff is interesting. I mean, Demonthos, do you think that Lava and Moondream? Yeah. Do you think that we're like, is this? I don't know. This is the wrong analogy, right? Issue mostly user. Oh, Nightshade coming in with the skill issue. Demonthos, do you think that? Do you think that the AI stuff is like running out of steam? Like, is this like this is my analogy. The processors in the 90s, it was like, oh, this new thing is like more gigahertz single threaded or whatever, single core. And then it became multi-core because they like ran into like heating issues. Do you think that that's a gross oversimplification? Do you think that it's similar to this? Like we're going like multimodal because like we've run out of text LLM like innovation, I guess. Like is that or was it it's not really there's no correlation between the two. Like it's not really. Oh, it seems like things are still tons of but it seems like yes. Okay, good. All right. So that's yeah, like whenever this like I just feel like yeah, it was like my intuition, I guess, like from reading all this Hacker News stuff. Like I learned so much from Hacker News comments. Like I don't read books or anything, even though I probably should. But I'm just like, oh, sweet. Like these guys are talking about machine learning. Cool. Let me get in here and just read this comment chain. Yeah, like just all the lingo and everything. That's like, I learned so much from that. All right. Oh, I want to make a, what did I say? File upload. File upload component with Tailwind CSS. Make it look like the Tailwind CSS component one. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now it's in release, right? So I think it needs to probably download everything all over again, or will it understand that I've already... Okay, so it seems like the little loading indicator's not showing up, so it seems like it's just gonna go straight to the model, right? From Hugging Face. Oh, I guess what I could do, memory as value. Oh, I don't have bottom on here. I don't have H-top on here. Dude, what am I doing with my life? What is happening? Let's just make it even slower, right? Let's just casually compile bottom while I'm also trying to download this model. No problem. No problem. Nick solves this. Oh no. It won't generate Rust code, so I'm not sure how well it will do. It caches models. Oh, okay. Yeah. Look, CPUs are bound by physics, ARs are bound by algorithms. Yeah. So there is something though, right? Like the transformer and like softmax and all that stuff, like they might be at the limit, right? Like of whatever they can do with that, right? And so like multimodal is like this like the appearance of like exponential growth to get more VC dollars. That's how I see it anyway. I don't know. Wait, does anyone remember that Sam Altman was asking for $7 trillion? Wasn't he asking for like trillions of dollars to make his own chips or something, or like his own data center? Like, what happened with that? This dude's just like trillion. Yeah, this guy's just like out here. Dylan, by the way, Nix. Look, I can't learn Nix. Okay, I'm incapable of learning Nix. Literally off his rocker. Yeah, it's like, dude, what's going on? You know. Okay, so I installed bottom, so now we can see memory as value. Is it mem? Mem is value? Dude, what? Reload? Bottom? Did I not cargo bin bottom? Dude, what? What in the world? What? Maybe I do need Nix. Maybe I should. Maybe I should learn Nix. What? This is crazy. How is this not working? Cargo bin bottom. I mean, it definitely seems like maybe I'm just out of memory. That's also possible, right? That's definitely a possibility. Dude, what? That's insane. Oh, maybe bottom isn't the right one. Maybe I just installed some kind of crazy blockchain miner. That's also possible. But Nix, oh, it does it? Okay, yeah. For me, it's the syntax that like gets me, right? Axum is the best framework. Yes, it is. Pretty similar to Tokyo. You could say it's even made by the people that made Tokyo, right? Like it's almost in the same GitHub org. Like that's insane. Cargo run. Yeah, dude, what did I just install? Seriously, what? Cargo search bottom? Is it bottom? Blockchain time machine? I did install a freaking Bitcoin mine. I did. Dude, are you serious? Frick, dude, I'm done for it. This thing's never gonna download now. Now I can't even see. Oh, shoot. Dude, I thought it would BTM is the name of the thing. Why don't you call it the same thing? All right, it's bottom. A customizable cross-platform processing system for the terminal. Oh my gosh. Dude, what did I just install? What am I running? I ran it twice. Dude. Skill issues abound, okay? And you're just laughing. Is a bottom confirmed? Dude. Sometimes, though. You know what I mean? Sometimes you got to go, on the bottom. Let her do all the work. You know what I'm saying? All your blockchain are belong to us? Dude, I'm done. I don't even know what's happening, It's still downloading this thing. It's still going. Frick. This is not going well. All right, while we're doing this, we'll get back to the multi-part. Look, this is as far as I got. Okay, this is literally before I got derailed into doing machine learning stuff. This is like as far as I got. All right, before I did all this LLM component generation for Dioxys. This is as far as I got. But it's going still. It's still going, right? We need the models. We need Llama 3. All right, so now we can see what's going on. It's mem as value, I think, right? There we go. All right, so as we can see, all of my RAM is being eaten up. What else is there? Let's see. The CPUs, they're not actually doing that bad, right? They're not doing terribly. The network's doing all right. How do I change this? I don't even know how to use this thing. What is tab? Oh, count versus, whoop. What did I just do? Oh, there we go. NixOS gang. Nice. I gotta do something. I gotta figure it out. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible though, right? I mean, it's a lot of RAM. But the processors are just kind of purring, They're not really doing too much. It's the power of Rust, you know what I mean? It takes 10 to 6. I probably broke it at some point. Oh, okay. Download more RAM. That's real. You can actually download more RAM. All right, fine. I'll give up. But anyway, this is cool. I'll try it off stream. No, we'll keep it going. Look, it's exciting, It's exciting. Local LLM inference to generate Dioxys components for me. Dude, that's exciting. All right. Freaking multipart, man. Freaking multipart. Like I wanted this to be I want to see how bad it is, right? Let's see how bad it is. If we just go over to the docs, right? Rust axum multipart. Oh, see, oh, that's my own video. All right, let's actually get into it though. Now that I'm done being sidetracked, let's get into it a little bit. So like this is it, right? Apparently you need another crate to get this working, because you need some trait. This is classic async Rust. Like I feel like you should always just install futures util if you're gonna do this. But yeah, this seems like it should work, right? So we'll just
What?
We'll
We
just do
just
this.
become best friends.
Merlinger,
Yup.
I don't even know, Merlinger, how did you find me? How did you even find me? What's up, Merlinger? What's going on? All right, so let's just do this, and then we'll actually just like put this here instead of printing. Well, we'll print it, and we will put the names of everything here. We'll do this. We'll just do files, right? And we'll just do like it's a vec of something, and then we'll just do like file. Oh, this is what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to program Rust anymore. Push, and we'll just do like a tuple name data, right? Name data.len, right? Okay, cool. And then we'll do this here. We'll just say div, right? It's a div, and we'll do files, iter, map, f, and then we'll do like another div in here because it's only divs. Only divs. That's the kind of stream this is. Let's see. F. Oh, but F is a tuple, so we can come over here and we can say name data, or what's it? Name len, right? What's crazy is I think I just saw something. Does it understand? It does. String usize. Dude, it's crazy that I was so out of like name len, right? There you go. All right, cool. So this is looking, oh no. And we'll just do a reference. All right, so come on now. Do I do a reference here? No, I don't. I don't do a reference. Instead, I print and then I do that. Like, okay, so this is the borrow checker, right? Oh, it's not mutable. So this is the borrow checker, right? So did you see this? Look at this. Look, this is what's so funny about Rust. Like, look at this. Okay, so this is like super. Okay, so I have a file, right? I have a file spec, and then I have this thing, and look at this. So this string cannot be, move occurs, right? Because it's not copy. I put it in this thing because I'm moving it technically into this file spec, but all I have to do is just switch this, and now like no problems, right? Like, because now I reference it first immutably before. I honestly think the Rust borrow checkers like it's really funny. After you mess around with it for a while, you're like, wait a minute, this is all it is? What in the world? Yeah, it's pretty funny. Let's see. Yeah. Only divs. Is that real? I'm gonna click it. Should we? How much is it? Can I buy it? Only divs. Oh shoot, dude. Let's get it. Oh, what? Let's get it. We're gonna get it right now. Can I sign in here without showing you guys my my password? Is that possible? Let's see. Is that possible? Let's see what's going on here. All right, let's see. Pork bun? Yes, I use pork bun. All right. Do I have a username? I am not a robot. Remember me. Continue. Two-factor. Shoot. Did we got the two-factor? Let's see. All right, here we go. This 409. All right, so you guys can log in as me right now, but after, in the next 20 seconds, you can't, right? Like you can't, all right, you can't do it. Oh no, oh shoot, risky click of the day. That's true. Rust needs an effect system. Dude, Demontes, you're gonna have to explain to me what an effect system is. I'm back on Rust, nice. Yeah, Rust, it does get easier. Yeah. Async trait. I still need it for axum because like it, you know, whatever. But yeah. All right, let me see. Pork bun, onlydivs.com. Dude, we're about to farm some Twitter karma right now. Check out. Oh wait, I need to do this on my other. Oh, I can't do it because I need to. Do I have a card? Oh, I do. Sweet. Okay, cool. Let's do that. I acknowledge. Okay, pay now. All right. Also, yes. Oh, my card's expired. Dude, my card's expired. Oh, shoot. I need to type in another card. Frank. All right, I gotta do it on my other computer. Hold on. What? I can't do it on stream because I need Apple Pay. Here, I'll do it on my phone real quick. What a scrub. There's an article about effect system. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Rollinger, you did not get only dibs. Dude, you just got all that karma. I can't believe that. Dude, I can't believe this. Did you really? Let's see. We're gonna, because I'm on my other computer. Let's see. You guys can't see this, but yeah. All right, here we go. Hold on. Let's do it. See, I'm trying to do it so that I'm not leaking all this information. But when you're not streaming, you could go super fast. You know what we should do? We should make a CLI. We should make a CLI that buys domains for me. So I don't have to go on this stupid thing. Oh, you didn't buy it? Get out of here. Did you? Because it seems like I can still buy it. Let's try. I'm going to try to buy it. I'm going to try to use that same card and see if it works. Let's see. It's probably going to say my thing's expired. Oh, shoot. What just happened? Oh, it says success. Dude, we're both the proud. Oh, wait. Pending initial setup. Wait, what? Oh, shoot. Maybe you did buy it. I've never seen this before. This is like some weird error. Oh, shoot. Oh, you did get it, though. It drove to the finish line. Dang, I think we're literally... Oh, you're not going to buy it? Okay. But look at this, though. Look at my pork bun. Now that I am here, look at this. Do you see this? Look at my domains. Look. Look at this. Only divs, right? It says, pending initial setup. Please refresh page to check status. I don't know if it's because my card was expired or what. It's not good, though. It's not looking good, you know? Also, I don't know why I have this. This is like from years ago. I don't think it even goes in. Does it go anywhere? Does it do anything? Let's see. It's probably just parked. Yeah. This is parked. Oh, shoot. I should get back to this. Oh, I should call her, you know? All right. Let me see. The domain name is awesome. It's incredible. It would be nice. Did a CLI in school to resolve merge conflicts in an XML file. Use Rust clap. Yeah, we gotta use clap. That's what we're gonna do. Next stream, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a... Wait, should I use clap? Or should I use... or do I need Ratatouille? Do I need some insane, like, Ratatouille animations for this? That'd be sick. Shoot, I should do that. Yeah, I should do that. I did not buy it. Yeah. Is it allocated because it is in a cart? I don't know. All your passwords? Yeah, it is. Oh, shoot. Lenny, come on. Come on. Don't. Just, you know, if YouTube's your jam, that's all right. All right, fine. I'll close it. Dude, Lenny, but what happens, though? What happens if I get all of a sudden super famous? I'm just kidding. All right, I'll close it. Is the arg parser? Yeah, clap. Rust. We gotta get the clap. We gotta get it. Let's see. Yeah, it is the arg parser. It's cool. This is something that I would make, right? Like with dumb derived macros. Like this is like if this didn't exist, this is exactly what I would do. Yeah, map it to a struct, right? Yeah. We'll do that. No, this is really cool though. This is sick. This takes all the pain like out of argument parsing. Yeah, my dog's making noise. What's going on? Oh no, we're fine. All right, let's see. My domain. Oh shoot, there it is. I own it, dude. I own it though. Look at this. Look, pending initial setup. F you. We got it. We got it though. Only divs. Parked on the bun, baby. Heck yeah. Now I don't even know what to put there. What do I even do? Like, what do I do? Do I do like a turbofish? Turbofish Rust website or something? What was it? Turbo.fish. Do I do a turbofish situation? Right? Do I do this? But only divs? Right? Or I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, right? Like maybe we do some like, well, I don't wanna do some wifey thing. It's like totally not my thing. But like, you know, it's like some kind of like OnlyFans, like play on OnlyFans. I don't know. That but divs? Yeah. Make a website, only made a divs, no head. No, I know. Real Andrew. Look, I just did that right over here, right? We're doing it right here. Okay, so this looks pretty good. For the multi-part stuff, but I don't have a form. So honestly, this needs to be like a post, right? We'll do post slash, right? Then we'll just copy this, come down here, boom. We'll come back over here, post slash, right? And then this, we'll just do this, right? Whoop, hello. Oh, jeez. Oh. What, Alt-I, right? Am I crazy? All right, whatever. All right, we'll just put that here, come up here. And this is just gonna be the form, right? There we go. Hello, did I get rid of this? HTML? Div, we'll just do the form, right? Form, input type file, name, upload. What else? That's it. That's it pretty much, right? Yeah, I don't really care what I upload, right? And then we'll do, this doesn't need to be mutable. Yeah, it doesn't. What's wrong with this? Wait, look at this. I already removed the mute. Oh, there it is. All right, Rust Analyzer needed to catch up for a second. Okay. Kihov, what's up? How much do I use lifetimes? I work with blockchain dev and I'm switching to Solana and I have to use them sometimes. Look, honestly, I just use Rust for like side projects for web dev, so I pretty much never use them if I can avoid them. I think I did use them in Ryde somewhere. I don't even remember now. Let's see. Did I use lifetimes ever? I don't think so. Let's see. I mean, it's possible I used them somewhere. Maybe in the HTML thing? Did I? I don't think I did. We can just do a global search on, we could do this, and then we could just do like tick W, right? Something like that. Oh, there's a lifetime. Oh, no, that's just, yeah. Nope, there are no lifetimes. There are no, oh, you know what? I had to do it only when the library requires it, which I actually hate RU SQLite, and I would love to make my own SQLite in Rust. And I would just start from someone's GitHub, because there's like probably 15 of them that people have started with like B trees and stuff. So that would be super nice. Oh wait, what? Wait. The UI should resemble a typical file input field. It will just drag and drop choose to encourage. I will need components for this. Wait, what in the world? Did it just like rewrite my prompt? I think it just rewrote my prompt. What's going on now? Still the same amount of memory though, right? Man, Chrome is taking a lot. Just for rendering web pages, it's insane. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Astro, what's up? What's up? I work with blockchain. Yeah. The never clone, memory imperf. Yeah. Yeah, I clone. Yeah, I also don't care too. Never. Oh, okay. I use clone. Yeah. Yeah, I also use clone. I don't really use lifetimes that much. And like if I use lifetimes, it would only be like I always use own values in structs. Like I don't like to use struct lifetimes only because they're annoying. And if I did use multiple lifetimes, it would be like in a function. So like I would do explicit lifetimes as inputs to a function because that's not bad. It's similar to like what Mojo does, this in-out thing. So like if I had two stirs and one had like an A and a B lifetime and one was like living longer, I would do that. But yeah, it generated something. It generated, it's generating this, right? Which I don't know what that is. I encourage you to upload. I think I will need components for this. File upload, a standalone. Oh, it's like going through the whole step-by-step thing. Oh, this is cool. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's outputting stuff. A standalone component that wraps the entire file upload interface. Okay. All right, cool. But yeah. It costs performance and bloats memory. Yeah, exactly. Yep. I didn't see that second dot. I wonder if you don't have an accelerator. That's very slow. Well, I'm also like doing a bunch of stuff on my computer too, right? So maybe that's it. OBS is on my M1 Pro on the MacBook, but the Mac Mini is just an M1, just bog standard 2020 M1 Mac. Also today, natural lighting. I don't know if you guys noticed this, okay, but it's all natural. There's no lights today because it's a sunny day. ML or some optimization? Yeah. If it's even that slow, it's out claiming cloning is really fast. Yeah, I mean, it just copies the memory, right? The first thing it generates is just an expanded version of what it thinks you want. Thinking step by step. Yeah. Demonthus, have you seen DSPY? Have you seen this? I don't understand it, but I like the idea of it. And it does all the step by step, chain of thought, all that stuff. Go in JS clone and it's still managed to be fast. Yeah, it's totally true. Yeah. I use Rust. Well, the thing about Rust is like, it's not about speed to me. Like lifetimes are about memory, like efficiency, I guess, right? So yeah. I use Rust for the nice type system to make sure my code is correct. Yeah. It's just YOLO. Well, same thing with Ruby, right? Also, I can make executable and drop it. Yes, exactly. That's it. Like those. So low memory, right? Do you know how many times we use Scala at work? Do you know how many times I've seen out of memory exception? And these are on beefy machines, right? Yeah, they're doing like some big data pipeline stuff, but like, come on, you know? Chugging coffee. This is your old friend Ruby. Please come back to me. Yeah, look, I don't know. Okay, like honestly, like the real benefits of Rust are the refactoring, right? Like it is insane how I can spend like 30 minutes refactoring in the editor, not even like look up to like make sure that what I've done is like working anymore. And then like after the refactoring, the heavy refactoring is done, it all works. Like that's enough of a benefit for me. Like I don't even care about all the other stuff, right? But like just that by itself. But then you get way lower memory usage. Like a Rails Hello World on my machine is like 100 megs of RAM, right? It does nothing except for show the Rails page. But an Axum Hello World, which does a lot less, sure. Even with like tracing and like trying to make it equivalent to like Rails, is like 8 megs of memory, right? That's a 10 times reduction in RAM. That's insane. How do I feel about clone by default? I'm really I'm into clone by default. Honestly, that is what Mojo does. And I think that's actually better. I was watching the Chris Latner talk on Mojo. And I do think clone by default is what we actually want. And the reference thing, but also there's a trade-off, right? Clone by default, it means you won't get memory efficiency. Like you won't get that memory efficiency, right? Like by default, right? But but you will get like ease of use. And it'll still be more memory efficient than like it's something with a large runtime. But yeah, I think I do like clone by default in Mojo, but I don't like how they go about it because like they have an owned keyword and an in-out keyword like Swift, and like I'm not like, I don't know, it's like there's a lot more to it. Like just reference and clone is like kind of a binary situation, right? Art clone by default. Yeah, is that, I don't know, does Mojo do that? I don't think it does art clone. Rust is insane. Happy to be using it more. Yeah. Groups in school avoid it always. Yeah. Everyone does. Everyone's like, oh, that's way too complicated. I wish there was a way to make that tweet I once put out a reality. Oh, is that clone by default? Discouraging no standard. Oh, that's true. That is true. Lenny has a good point. That is true. Rust is a big tent. And like, we don't want to like exclude people, right? Yeah, Swift uses reference count. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Trying to get Rust to do that would make Toxis so much simpler. Oh yeah. No, it would. But that's the thing. It's like there's all these people that use Rust for different things, and so I almost feel like something for Dioxis, like you guys would benefit from like a Dioxis runtime kind of, which is kind of what you've done with the generational box, and so like you need like you need a different runtime than like the no standard people, or the no stud people, and then the other people need different runtimes, right? Like everyone's using it for different things. Like implement copy for all clone types. For string, even though, yeah. But I think they did it, not for memory efficiency, but I think they did it for the, I don't know why they did it, actually. I was reading the Gordon Hare? How do you say his name? Gordon Hoare? I was reading his latest post on Hacker News that was like this morning or last night, and it was pretty good. Like, I don't really know about formal verification, but like, if that's how formal verification is, like, sign me up. Like, it's incredible. I like main lib level clone by default. Oh, interesting. What was the tweet? Rusted easy mode. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even like this. Dude, sorry, man. Sorry. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like I like working with Borrow Tiger, but I'm working with Go in work and school also, and it's easier to go from 0 to something. Why and why I just laughing at me? Yeah. No, I did like it. It's weird because I saw it and I liked it, but then I always forget to like things. Why in Rust I feel like it's easy to go from something to something more. Yeah, no, it totally is. I like working with, but oh yeah. So yeah, Go, that's a good, you know what? That's actually good. 0 to 1 in Go is easier, but then like from 1 to 10 is like harder, right? That's kind of how I feel about Rust too. It's like, but honestly, like, we can make Rust like easy. Like Dioxis makes it easy to go from 0 to 1. I would say like Leptos and Dioxis and Ryde, by the way, make it easy to go from 0 to 1. I think that's like a but I guess if you want less dependencies, then yeah, I guess 0 to 1 is like harder, right? Clone by default. Oh, that would be sick. Nightshade, that would be the one. I would be into this. Just by like no stud versus clone by default. Heck yeah. I'm not gonna say that, but yeah. Look, Merlinju, I like you. Okay, I like your Twitter. All right. Gorm is where my issues start. I don't know anything about Gorm. We're only using 2 external dependencies. Limit commits, PR, and push files. Oh, should I try my thing? Now that I'm like totally sidetracked with this chat, which is what I came on here to do. Oh, creating HTML for file upload. Okay, this is sweet. I'm on Twitch, and this thing is like making HTML for me. This is sick. I love this. All locally too. This is sweet. Oh, there we go. Let's upload a cactus. Okay, cactus. Oh, I don't have a submit button. So dumb. So dumb. Let's see, button. Oh, I don't even have like an action here. Action, what did I do? URL post slash, right? Oh, post slash maybe? Method post, right? There we go. Button type submit. Well, we don't even do that. We just do button. All right. Submit. There we go. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Oh, I see. Right. This is Leptos RSTML. All right, there we go. Let's see. There we go. Now we got buttons. Plus, submit. I didn't do ank type. Ank type, multipart form data. There we go. All right. All right, so now we can do it, right? Do I need anything? I feel like I don't need anything special except for the encryption, the encoding type encryption. Oh, there we go. Upload 394. Okay, perfect. So it does work. That's sick. That's pretty easy, actually. You know? That's pretty easy. That's not bad. Of course, this is like buffering in memory and like, oh, let's stream to S3 or whatever. But yeah, I don't know how I can make this easier. That's pretty easy. Especially if you don't care to buffer. That's fine. RAM is cheap, right? Is RAM cheap? We can download more RAM. We don't care about streaming, right? We can download more RAM. It's not a big deal. Yeah. I feel like for streaming though, that would be where because it I don't, because you need to buffer in memory anyway and then stream from memory. Like you'd have to like open a socket or something to stream from the client to the server, right? Or maybe the request is just open. I don't know. Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh. Gorm. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Turbo SQL. Like, there's something there. Okay, there's something there. Melindru. What about the DB macro? Are you serious right now? You don't like the DB macro? Hey, come on. Look at it. You gotta admit, okay? You gotta admit this thing. Look at this. This is incredible. Look, I'm flying. Okay. Look at that. Boom. Done. Right? Name, text, not null, unique, right? Dude, what? Are you serious? What do I do? Integer, not null, default, Unix epoch, right? Dude, done. Now I have a function that I could call. Create users. Await, right? Done, right? We'll just unwrap. Look at that. Done. That's it right there. Look at that. But so the one thing that is bugging me is that I make a function, right? And then I make a struct. So like this is what bugs me about this, and I have a solution. So I come in here, insert user, right? Insert into users, whatever, values, whatever. I'll just do like name, right? Done. Returning ID. All right, so I come in here, that's good, and then we could insert user, right? So here you can see it. So I've generated a struct, right? And the struct is whatever it's returning is like a field on the struct, right? So it's annoying because now if I come over here and I do a select, right? And I go select whatever ID name created at, right? Or we could just do this. Users, right? Users dot from users where ID equals this limit 1, right? So if I do that, right, and I come over here and I go select user, right? But the problem is that insert user, right? And select user, right? They're like different things, right? So I have to now do like a from into between them. So yeah, my solution to this is this. I'm gonna do this. So like I think this is really what you're like the crux of what we're doing, right? In databases in SQL, right? We're doing this, right? We create a table and we want to tie it to some representation, right? But we want the SQL to like drive like query as. We want the SQL to like drive the structs, like the definition of the structs, because like Otherwise, you have that mismatch of like, I made a struct and now I have to map SQL types to Rust types, right? And so like you're like, oh, I64 or whatever, it comes from the database driver, right? So this is what we're really doing. We want to generate structs. We don't care. We care about the SQL types because data outlives programs, right? It outlives code. So we care about the types in SQL, and I just generate the thing. Like, see this here? I didn't like say what insert user was, right? Like it just generated it from SQL types, right? So it's an I64. Okay, that's what the driver gives me for an integer, right? That's it. So yeah, and like, oh, a name's a string. It's an own string. Created at is another integer, so it's I64, right? So all I did was do this, and I just map it to a function. It's a function and a struct. And then I also make a thing for like, fields, like strongly typed fields. So like here, if I wanted to make a form and have it be like an input type text, right? Name, I would say like insert, I would say like names, insert user names or something, right? And I'd like do names dot whatever, right? Or here we could do insert usernames, and then it would just be name, right? So yeah, that's like, cause I was bugged by like missing stuff, So yeah, yeah, that's pretty much the extent of what it does. All right, sorry, I got totally distracted. Yeah. I like pure SQL and Go. Astra, that's true. SQLX for Rust, yeah. Are these compile times normal? So fast. Angry Vatic, they are normal. Yes, they are normal. Swells? Yeah, they're swells. I love the DB macro. Yeah, I know. I really need standalone for non-web. Oh, yeah? Okay, yeah, I could do it. Replacing SQL, no, don't worry. Yeah, I got to do that. Well, the as thing doesn't work yet. Once the as thing is up, that is like the killer feature. Because now, think about this, right? Think about this. I want to watch and listen to talk about macros on shrooms. What a DJ. Dude, DM Mulroy's big time. All right, it's big time. Maybe something like this. Magic function param. What is this? ID. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's true too, though. That's true too. That could also work, but I think the casting is like I could never do shrooms. I have too much anxiety. Cops are coming to get you. So yeah, this once I do the as, think about this, Merlindru. Think about this. All right, once I do the as thing, you can do this if you want, or you can, like, I know this is like against the rules and like we want static, we want to see all the SQL and all this stuff, like, we want to see all the SQL. But like, once you do this, you technically don't need this anymore, right? Because like now that you have this struct that you cast from your table, now you could get like the basic CRUD for free, right? So like now I don't need to do all of this. Now I can just say like inserted or something, right? And I can just like user insert or something. Or I could just do like user, right? Like a Rails situation dot insert, right? I could do something like that, right? And then like maybe we don't actually care to like have dumb insert SQL and select SQL and all that stuff, right? So this like, but then you could do more, like if you want, your custom whatever, right? Like you want to do users, whatever, and like likes or whatever, you're making some social media thing, right? Select from users, join likes, blah, blah, blah. And you can still do this and it'll generate a struct based on the things that you're returning, right? So it's like the best of all worlds, right? Like I get my dumb CRUD and I get all my more complicated SQL, right? Dude. Yeah, it's an ORM. Don't tell anyone, all right? Don't tell anyone that it's an ORM, all right? We'll just keep it on the down low, okay? We'll just look. This isn't an ORM, all right? It's compile time query generation TypeScript. That's it. Don't worry, kids. Don't worry, all right? It's not an ORM, all right? No, that's true though. It is an ORM. But yeah, I mean, but you can override it too, though. That's the thing, right? So you can have those functions hanging off of that create table struct that was generated. But then you can also have your own inserts and everything, right? So it's like you're like married like the two, I guess. DB queries, ORM, same picture. Yeah, it's true. It's TypeScript. Yeah, it's React and TypeScript, and there's like effects. Like we could throw in effects, which I gotta read this. I gotta read this thing, because I don't really understand effects at all. I don't know what they are. But it seems cool, Dylan Mulroy's talking about effects. So whatever Dylan's doing, very trendy. Okay, very hot, very trendy. I got to do the same thing. All right, I can't fall behind. Average raw at SQL Ryde user case. Yeah. I'm hanging out here, dude. We're all chats here. Man, my coffee's like really cold now because I'm talking too much. Okay, I should probably do work. Should I go back to work and do work? Ember mug? Who has an Ember mug? Chat popping off today. I'm solo spamming. Heck yeah. Well, we're working through. Oh, should I do the ads thing? Should we try the ads thing? Maybe I should do it. I do. It's life-changing? Wait, what? What is happening? Wait. Ember mug? What is that? What is an Ember mug? Oh, I thought you meant like Ember.js. Like I thought this is what you would like, some cheap Chinese piece of garbage lead infused coffee cup with this on the side of it. That's what I thought you meant. I was like, I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, I mean, you do you, if you're into Ember, All right, now I get it. Okay, let's see. Ember, maybe I'll buy this. Let's see. Amazon. Is there like a website that? Oh, here we go. I hate Amazon. Whoa, Dylan, dude. Dude, it's this cup. This cup is $180. I don't know if you know this. Did you know this? Did you get this did you receive this as a gift? Like, this is $180 for a cup, right? The thing's not even 16 ounces. It's 14 ounces. Dude, are you serious? The gold is pretty cool though. Look at that. Could you imagine? I'm just gonna drink out of my golden coffee cup. Oh, it's actually cheaper. It's somehow the gold is like slightly cheaper, which doesn't make any sense. That's interesting. Rose gold edition. Oh, I see. The colors are cheaper, right? That's interesting. Is it what is it? Oh, it's a smart mug? Dude, are you serious? What does it do? Oh, shoot. It keeps your coffee hot. Is that what this is? Oh, shoot. Dude, maybe I need this. Oh, look at this. Soy AirPods. Frick, man. What do you put in there, though? Only soy lattes, right? Is there like is there a rule for this? That you can only put soy lattes in here? You can't put actual milk? Like if you put whole milk, does it just tip over and spill out? Is that what is that what happens? The cover looks sick. At 135 for hours. Yeah, this thing doesn't have AI. AeroPress coffee? Yeah. Could you imagine? Does it have AI? On device machine learning. Okay, on the Ember mug. Nah, I probably will buy this. I gotta talk to my wife about this though. Shoot, man. She's gonna be like, I talked to her about the I tried to, my friend was talking about the Aura ring, which is like, it's weird that they're still going because I remember looking at this a long time ago. Plan or prevent pregnancy. You want to plan it. You always want to plan pregnancy. You don't want to prevent it, right? You got to plan it. Let's see, the revolutionary. Yeah. So this, this thing, it has all these sensors and stuff. And I was like, hey, I want this thing. My mom was like, it's a ring, and it costs $400 and a $6 a month subscription. I was like, yeah, it does. Blockchain enabled. Forget about AI as a written Rust. Astra knows though. I tried to order one and the site blocked me. Yeah, it's an Apple Watch that offers less. Yes, exactly. Yes. It's a all right, Dylan, you got me, okay? I'm going to get this Ember mug. I'm going to get it. But I can only buy one thing per stream, okay? I already bought only divs. I already bought onlydivs.com. So I can only buy one thing. That's my rule, all right? If I kept buying everything that everyone was using, I'd be broke, all right? Yeah. Yeah, I also... Can I buy my meme coin? Dude, honestly, if you have a... Melindru, do you have a meme coin? Don't blame this on me? Yeah. I'm not blaming it on you, Nate. I'm not blaming it on you. If you had a meme coin, though, that'd be tempting. So worth it if you have end up with cold coffee every day. Such a quality of life improvement. Are you accusing me of having attention something? All right. Are you accusing me of ADHD having? Yeah, this is good though. I like this green. Shoot, maybe yeah, I like that. Oh, they're sold out in the 10 ounce. I like a bigger mug though, honestly. Wow, look at these reviews that are probably all bots. That's insane. 2-year protection plan. Intelligently, I think there is some kind of well, I don't know if there's AI in here. If they say there's AI, let's see. Do they have, because you have to, right? I feel like if you're a company, you have to say that you do AI. It's a requirement in the United States by law. Smarter than your thermos. Oh, they have like a hiking one too. Ooh, shoot. Now I'm like, should I get the travel mug? Right? Because then I could use it. Ooh, a 16 ounce? Shoot, man. Should I get this? And then should we do terminal.shop, right? See if they have any coffee. Are they still out of coffee? Sold out still. What is this? Also, is this organic? I feel like this coffee's not organic. Okay, I don't know if I can put that in my body. All right, I do have to get back to work though. I don't think I have, but I tend to forget about lots of things. Yeah, I don't know if I have ADHD either. ADHD having, yeah. I unironically like cold coffee. Yeah. I drink a single coffee and a regular, yeah. I reheat it in the microwave. Dude, I don't even have a microwave. What is going on? All right, this stream has officially gone off the rails like a lot of times actually. So, all right, so next time either we're gonna do this but only divs, which this looks really fun actually to do. Yeah, we're gonna do only divs. Either that or oh wait, let's check on the AI thing. It's still going. It's still going. Creating an HTML. Yeah, it's still trying. Huh. All right. Who should I raid? Yeah, only divs? Yeah, no, it's good. Wait. Oh, HTTPS. Yeah, no, it's there. Parked on the button. All right, we got it. I gotta add SSL, right? There's no SSL. It's just plain old HTTP. You know, classic 1.1. Yeah. No, we got it. We got only divs. So next time we'll do only divs. All right, let me see. Who should I raid? Oh my gosh. Oh, Prime is still going. What is he doing? Let me pause this music. Where do I go for the music? Okay, pause. Okay, let's see. What is he doing? Let's see. It's crazy that he doesn't have a job anymore. Insane. Oh, this is muted? let's do this.
Hold on. I'm trying to find the right one.
Shoot, that's loud.
I cannot believe how late it is already. I'm actually shocked at how late it is.
Wait, is he leaving? Oh.
Dude, why is YouTube this bad these days? YouTube is generally some of the...
All right,
like
should we rate
the
it?
JavaScript still hasn't loaded yet.
Or should we do T-Soda?
It is
which
so depressingly slow. See, this happens.
Or we could do
And I
ending
don't
with
know what
Ally,
it is,
I
but
guess. Golang?
oh my goodness, I actually want to debug this. The problem is it only happens on Windows.
Okay, I don't know what this means, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. I don't really care.
It's so annoying.
Primer Alt F4 quad trees.
Dude, it's so annoying. It's like, dude, it just...
Are.
Anyways, okay,
Oh,
so there we
okay.
go. So this should
No,
be...
he's
This
still
is just
going.
crazy, by the way. This is crazy what we're doing.
He's still going. All right.
All right, so we're
yeah,
going to
let's
fill it up
rate.
with that. Then we're going to do
All
all
right.
that. So there we go. So now we have... So if I've done this correctly, I'm
Oh,
just gonna
wait,
go like
what's Alt
this.
F4 doing?
You know, now that we have that modularity, we could even do something and say like, okay, well,
Hey.
if you're on this plan, then
Modularity?
you use the lambdas, right? And that's
Shoot.
because you're low traffic, you know, we don't have to worry about the cost there. But if you're on this plan,
Yeah,
then we'll
let's
actually
rate.
route you to the running service
Let's rate Alt
so that
F4.
everything is going through this like fire
Double
hose and we
audio.
don't have to worry about
Sorry.
your traffic affecting other people's traffic.
Sorry, here, I'll just mute. All right. Oh, okay. Is that what it means? Okay, yeah. Okay, well, we'll do. Were you guys gonna watch Alt F4 or Prime? I bet you watch Prime. We'll just do Prime. It's fine. Not that it matters, right? Yeah. No, it was good because we talked about AI. We talked about everything. You know, we talked about everything. But yeah, I gotta get back into it like every day. You're literally watching both. Oh, okay, all right. Well, we'll do Alt F4 then, because I'm already Alt F4. We're already running. It's fine. Okay, cool. Nighthawk watches a lot of streams. Ooh, mature audiences. All right. Yeah, it was fun. I'll be back. I'll try to be back tomorrow, but if not, like Monday. All right. See ya.